Welcome! Today, I am going to teach you an easy way to make delicious homemade mango float dessert. Mango float is a Filipino mango icebox cake dessert. It is made with layers of whole and crushed graham crackers, cream, condensed milk, and ripe mangoes, and is chilled for a few hours before serving. To make this recipe, we need the following ingredients: 1 cup of condensed milk, 1.5 cups of cream, 1/2 cup of crushed and 12 pieces graham crackers, 3 pieces of ripe sliced mangoes. First, you have to combine the cream and condensed milk in a bowl and mix until it is well blended. In a glass dish, put 4 tablespoons of the cream mixture and spread it out. After that, you have to arrange the pieces of whole graham crackers in the glass dish. Top with the cream mixture, sliced mango, and crushed graham. Then, repeat procedure to form a second layer. And so on. Once you are done, place it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours or until the crackers are moist with the cream and milk mixture. Once your mango float is done, slice into your desired portion size like this before serving. This is our delicious mango float recipe. It is so easy to make and extremely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you're interested to learn how to eat a ripe mango like a Filipina, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more delicious Philippine recipes. And thanks for watching and have a great day!